Hey guys, welcome to day 6, March the 23rd. Today we're going to talk about mean, median, and mode. And I've got my calculator up over here, and you're going to want one too for these exercises. So let's talk about some definitions. All three of these mean, median, and mode fall under the category of a measure of central tendency. And what that means is all three of those things describe the center of a data set. Measures of central tendency are just the mean, the median, and the mode. So let's see if you know the definition. So let's start with the mean. You probably already know this one. The mean is the average, right, of the data values, which is the sum of the values divided by the number of values in the data set. So we've done that a few times already, so you probably already know what that is. Now you might not know these next two. We've got the median. The median is the middle value when the values are in numerical order. Okay? So when the values are in numerical order, we're looking just at the middle value. If there's two numbers in the middle, then we take the mean of the two middle numbers, if there's two there. And I'll show you how to do that, no big deal. The mode is the value or values that occur the most often. Okay? A data set can have 0 modes or 1 or several. So we'll talk about that as well when we do some exercises. So let's try this first exercise here. Okay. Finding the mean, median, and mode. Oh, and range. We're not going to find the range right now, so just ignore that. Okay, first of all, the weights in pounds of 6 members of a basketball team are 161, 156, 150, 156, 150 again, and 163. So let's start by finding the mean. So this is the one you probably know already, where we're just going to add them all together. So 161 plus 156 plus 150 plus 156 again, plus another 150, oops, got the one there, plus 163. So we're adding all of these together. And there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 of them. So we just want to check and make sure we got all 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. That's a very odd looking 63. Let's see if I can fix that. 63. Okay. And so we're going to add them all up, and then we're going to divide by 6, because that's how many of them there are. Okay, so this is our mean. All right, so I'm going to use my calculator up here to do all my work for me. So I've got 161 plus 156 plus 150 plus 156 again plus 150 again plus 163. And that's going to equal 936. So that's my total, 936. And I'm going to divide that by 6. Okay, so up here, I'm going to divide that by 6, and I get 156. And what was our unit here? These are weights in pounds. So 156 pounds is the mean. All right, there's your mean. So again, we just add all the numbers together and then divide by how many there are. Let's do the next part, median. Now, in order to do the median, we need to put the numbers in numerical order. So remember from the definition up here, they have to be in numerical order. And that just means that the smallest number comes first, and we list them in order all the way to the largest. Okay. All right, so let's try that. So what are the smallest number here? Looks like 150. So we're going to start over here with 150. And there are two of them, so I'm going to write it twice because it's two different people, right? And then I've got 156. And again, there's two of those. All right. And then 161. And my largest number is 163. So we've listed them all in order, and we want to find the center of the data set. Okay, so we really want to find out what's the halfway mark. Okay, so the halfway mark would be in between these two guys, right? Because there's 3, 1, 2, 3 on the left, and 1, 2, 3 on the right. So my median would be in the center of them. Okay, so how do we find the number that's in the center of two numbers? We would have to find the average. So our median is going to be the average of these two, since it's between the two of them. So we have 156 plus 156 divided by 2. 156 plus 156 divided by 2, and that's pretty obviously going to be 156 because they're the same number. So 156 is the median, but that's how you find median. Yeah, you just find the center of the set. All right. And the last one we're going to talk about is the mode. The mode is the number that happens the most often. Again, you can have no values. There could be no mode. Or you can have one. Or you can have several. So let's see what numbers happen the most. So look at our list here. 150 happens twice. 156 happens twice. We can make a frequency chart for that. So this is the number, and then this would be the frequency over here. So the number 150 happens 2 times. 156 happens 2 times. 161 happens just the 1 time, and 163 also happens 1 time. So our mode is which one happens the most, which one has the highest frequency. And both of these have the highest frequency, right? They're both happening twice. So we can say that, let's do this one over here. The modes, because there's 2, are 150 and 156. Okay, so that's how you do mean, median, and mode. Okay, I want you to try this problem, and you can check out the answer in the next video. Good luck.